Hello, Scott here. Yeah, so the compressor, it's blowing air out the air filter. It's obviously a bad sign. So, oh yeah, I'm just waiting for some filler to go off, so I thought I'd take the head off the compressor to see what's going on. Just thought, it's got the valve plate here. It's got some silicone sealant around it. I don't know whether it would have come out of the factory with silicone sealant on it, to be honest. I wouldn't have thought so. But there's nothing broken on that bit anyway. It's like little reed valves, you know, like you get on a motorbike in a two-stroke. There's nothing broken in there. Bit of dirt. But actually nothing nothing broken on that one. It's all in one piece, isn't it? I'll tell you what I should do, I might, because I haven't done it yet, I might mark, a bit late, but I'm going to mark it where it come apart, just so I don't mix it up for a bit of a scratch. Just in case it makes a difference. So that's one plate. Actually looks okay in one piece. I'm not a huge fan of silicone sealant, to be honest. My old college instructor was a bloke called Tony Tocock, and he worked for Aston Martin Lagonda and GT6. I'll concentrate. The GT40 team, etc., Le Mans. So he's a bit of a, he was very much a perfectionist, and he wasn't a fan of silicone sealant or RTV sealant, so I'm not. Purely because people have a tendency to put too much on and it gets in places. But anyway, I can't see anything broken again. Nothing broken on that one. Ah, look. See that there? There's an hole. It is an hole in the gasket. Would that be enough? It's between the exhaust and the... That'd be enough, wouldn't it? To cause our problem. It's right through. It's actually broken all round, look. See, well, when the gasket was together, you can see a definite blow through, look. Yeah. So we'll make up a gasket and give it a try. There's a very thin ridge all round there, look, which supposedly is the bit that seals it. Excuse me, I've got some gasket paper, so I'll knock one up and see if we can get it working. At least I can't see anything like broken. That's good, isn't it? I just noticed something when I was cleaning it up. There's you can see all the bubbles from where it was cast, And there's one right there. Can you see it there? Just about make it out. So I'm going to stick a file across it. And where that gasket went through, there was an inclusion or a depression. So I'm going to very gently face it off and take the dents out. There's a couple more there as well. So it's sort of prone to disaster anyway, isn't it? When it's got imperfections in it. A couple there as well, but we'll give it a very gentle bit of a face off and give it a try. It's working, thank goodness.